Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jimbo's Craft Store. My name's James. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some of these, which are Infinity Bracelets. And what you will need is a bracelet strap, which I got these from Shein. You can get 5 of these on Shein for a really good price. And you will need Infinity charm. Then you can get 10 of these from Shein. I will put the links for these so you can buy them from Shein, and they're really good price and they're very good quality as well. So let's start making. You will need to do is you will need a pair of round nose pliers, and you will need to find the opening for the jump ring. So you will need to, there you go, here it is. So you need to open the jump ring, and then get the charm, and then fit it in the jump ring, and then you close the jump ring like so. So now it's dangling so that it won't come off, and you do that with the same side, the other side. Get around those pliers, and this is what you need to have. You need to have them open like that, and then you get the other side, and then you get that joint like that, and then you close the jump ring like that. There you go, and then you've got a nice Infinity bracelet. You can, on Shein, you can get other bracelets, like other charms like this, and then you can make other ones like this. And you don't have to have just the black bracelet. You can actually get a brown one as well. You can either get a brown or black. But as I said, I'm going to give the links on this video. But that's it. You've got a bracelet ready to wear. If you like this video, please put a like on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment, because it will help me with my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you soon.